This is Dalvet Quince, and you're watching WRUG Media.
Hello, hello. I'm here with Dalvet from The Biggest Loser. How are you?
Good, and you?
I'm great. What brings you here tonight to Neiman Marcus?
John and Vicky Palmer, the honorees, simply brought me here. You know, they've been friends for a long, long time, and they asked me to host the event along with Nicole Ari Parker, and it's an honor. It's an absolute honor.
So what do we have to look forward to from you other than The Biggest Loser? Are you in any other projects? What do you have going?
I'm currently writing a book that will come out spring 2013. I'm sorry, 2014 rather. I'm doing a multi-city tour this summer, which I'm very excited about, and working on a few endorsement deals.
Such as?
A few endorsement deals that are on the table. I'll continue to talk about those once the table is closed.
So how much longer of The Biggest Loser? Do you feel like you'll do it again, or?
You know what? I love personal training. I'm a huge fan of it, more so in transforming lives. So how much more I will do of it will be simply as long as they will have me.
Okay, so do you also do personal training outside of the show, or?
I focus mostly on the clients, and you know, I want to do a lot of online things like that. So.
Okay. Do you have any workout videos, anything?
Not yet. We're working on it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, it was good to talk to you.
Pleasure talking to you too.